Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for joining, and please subscribe, turn on the post notification button just so anytime I post content you will not miss out. This community focuses on beauty and lifestyle mainly. Today I'm going to discuss all about the Holland and Barrett aloe vera gel. Now I've been using this for roughly 3 weeks and I must say it's doing a fantastic job on my skin. Now if you want to know all the details, please stay tuned, don't go anywhere. To start, I'll let you see how the product looks like. Now that is the bottle, so this is how it looks like. It's all green and with a white lid, and I'll get a bit of the gel just so you guys can see how it looks. It's colorless. I went in for this gel because I was experiencing some redness on my face which were really uncomfortable and quite itchy. So I knew aloe vera was what would help treat it. However, I couldn't get access to the actual plant base, so I researched to see whichever cream or gel that is close to the plant-based extract or juice, and I came across the Holland and Barrett gel. I was really intrigued with what the gel says it does for the skin. It provides extreme hydration for damaged or dry skin. It does replenish or regenerate the skin cells. It also helps to soothe the skin from burns, severe sunburns and harsh weather conditions. An additional benefit is that it's suitable for all skin types, especially for vegans and vegetarians. The key ingredients in this product are aloe juice, glycerin. Now the packaging does say that it's got 100% ingredients in there. However, it doesn't specify the percentage of the aloe juice itself in the product, which I find as a downside, because someone might want to spend more to pay for a purely 100% aloe vera product. So I feel that is a downside to this product. The usage instructions at the back of this product says 6 times a day, but I personally use it just once every day, and I use it just during the night. And the reason is because when you apply the product, that's why it feels so soothing and great on the skin. It tends to dry up quickly and it feels very sticky on the skin, and also once it dries up it's very flaky as well. I'll try and insert a picture or video somewhere here so you guys can get what I mean. Please note this is a treatment cream and should not substitute your facial or body cream. This gel doesn't do well in a hot storage area, so make sure you save it in a cool place or in your fridge. Hey there! I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification button for future uploads. The best place to buy this product is in store or online. I'm gonna leave a description just to help you guys purchase it online. Now in store, I believe across the Europe there are Holland and Barrett shops, but if you're watching this video in any other continent or country, I might not know if you guys will have it, so you're best buying it from online. I bought the product at a size of 200 ml and the price was around £3.99. It had been discounted from roughly £9 each. Now this product comes in a smaller size as well. I'm not sure the actual size, but I think it is 100 ml. So you do have the option of buying a bigger or a smaller one. Thanks a lot for watching this review. Goodbye.